Hi, Albie. Are you gonna come in today?
And what? He accepted it, and then
What's his name?
Oh shit. Fluffy, move! That's a crow, not a hawk. Mama, get your babies inside. Get a beans. Get a beans. Get a beans. Get a beans. Where's Caesar? Get a beans. Get a beans. Move back in here. Get a beans. Yeah, I could do that. I forgot that we have a hose.
Maybe it'll be cold.
No.
Huh?
Hook it up. It's off. It was here. Dad was here. Or when Grandma and Grandpa. Not making you better, Flippy. Hurry up. Hurry up, Bert. Did you leave?
It's coming.
Well, guess what? Left.
That's
Yeah, but chickens can't see in the dark. And currently, it's cloudy.
Did they not see?